PhD ambassador and professional climber Molly Thompson-Smith here to give you a helping hand in achieving the ultimate bodyweight strength flex, the pull-up. I'll be giving you 3 of my favourite exercises with some harder versions too to help you work towards the pull-up at home. Exercise number 1 is the inverted row. Now these strengthen all the muscles you need for scapular retraction and will help you activate the bigger muscles you need to do a full bodyweight pull-up. Now you can do this on your TRX, on some rings, so you're going to get underneath whatever it is you're holding on to and grip the handles or the table with an overhand grip, so knuckles facing up. And then you're simply going to pull your chest up to whatever it is and then lower back down, keeping the tension and a straight line from your head to your toes. You're going to use a chair or jump up to the bar and start here, and you're just going to hold for 5 seconds. Try and do 3 sets of these 5-second holds. So some things to look out for. Firstly, make sure your shoulders are pulled back at the top of this position, and also your elbows, you want them to be pulled back and close to your sides. And secondly, make sure your chin is over the bar, but don't strain your neck or shoulders or anything trying to get it up there. To make this exercise a bit harder, once you do your 5-second isometric hold, I want you to lower down as slowly and as controlled as you possibly can back to the base of a pull-up position.